to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Jess. How are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to create a travel capsule wardrobe so you can pack less, but also get more out of your wardrobe. I'm going to show you 13 clothing pieces that you can mix and match and style differently to create 40 different outfits. 40. I am so sad that I never looked into how to create a capsule wardrobe before, because I feel like this could have solved all of my traveling struggles, because girl, I pack way too much. I pack so much and still, somehow, I never have anything to wear. So, I am super excited about this. I hope it's helpful to you guys. Huge thank you to Dote for partnering up with me to make today's video possible and for sponsoring today's giveaway. Yes, there's a giveaway. We're excited. I will show you guys what that is in just a minute. If you guys don't know what Dote is, it is one of my favorite apps right now. If you guys like shopping or fashion or clothes, or just like saving money, Dote is like the app for you. It's a mobile shopping mall where you can shop from all of your favorite stores, Forever 21, H&M, Revolve, Misguided, everything and so much more. So basically you can shop from all of these different places, put them all in one cart, and buy them in one spot. You can categorize your items by lists, and the best part about putting things on lists is when your favorite items go on sale, you get an alert and you save all the money. So the way to win this giveaway is to follow me on Dote. Tomorrow, 24 hours from when this video is posted, I will be picking 5 lucky winners who follow me on Dote to win this gorgeous pair of high-waisted mom jeans from Boohoo. First things first, I'm going to show you what the 12 pieces are, and then after that I'll hop into all the different outfit combinations. The first top is this white sweater from Boohoo. It's knitted, it's a little croppier. Next we have some nice basic tees. The first t-shirt is the striped t-shirt from Madewell. Next we have a basic that everybody should always have in your wardrobe. It is the plain white v-neck. Next, another super essential basic is a white tank top. And the final top is something that is definitely a lot more fun and not quite a basic, but it's in the neutral shade, so it's very easy to mix and match. It is this beautiful, very fun top from Free People, and if you are basing your whole wardrobe on basics, this is just like a fun pop of something different. We have 3 bottoms. The first pair are the high-waisted mom jeans from Boohoo. The second pair are these road tripper jeans from Madewell. And the last pair of bottoms is this long maxi skirt from Luca and Gray. It's in this gorgeous oatmeal shade, and it's just something a little bit dressier, a little bit different. The first piece of outerwear is this camel-colored nude duster from Boohoo. Next we have the classic moto jacket. This is from Forever 21. And the last piece of outerwear is a good old denim jacket. And the final section of this capsule wardrobe is shoes. The first pair is this black pair of booties from Steve Madden. And the second pair of shoes are so gorgeous. I love them so much. They're so chic, so elegant. They are these camel colored pointed toe flats from Steve Madden. One piece that I'm not including as part of the travel capsule wardrobe, but it goes with all the outfits. It is this black crossbody bag from Boohoo. I think this is the ultimate travel bag because it's crossbody, which makes it safer because no one can just swipe the purse off your arm. It's in front of you, it's protected. I very much hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys always have all of those travel struggles and packing struggles, that this video helped you out. And now you have a better idea of, how to pack more efficiently or, maximize your pieces and wardrobe options. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you want to win that super cute pair of high-waisted mom jeans from Boohoo, don't forget to follow me on Dote. It's just JessicaNeistadt. You can find me there. You can also take my Do You Know Me quiz, which is pretty cool. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is follow me on there, and then tomorrow, 24 hours from when I post this video, I will pick 5 of you guys to win those jeans, and I'll announce it on my Instagram story. And I think that wraps it up for today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if it was helpful, please let me know in the comment section. I'd love to know. I will see you guys very soon. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Mahal ko kayo. Always be kind to people. And I love you guys. Bye!